Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You're starting immediately. Check about this Mac so you know which interface you'll see because labels differ by Mac OS version. Once done, locate the image you want. A JPG, PNG, or hike works well, and keep it accessible. Now open System Settings or System Preferences on older Mac OS and click Desktop and Lock Screen. You're at the right panel. Make sure to toggle to the Lock Screen tab if present, so the next steps apply directly to the lock screen background. You'll now pick the image and adjust how it displays. Click Photos or Add Folder to import your custom wallpaper, or choose an Apple collection for dynamic options. Then set the display mode, Fill, Fit, Stretch, Center, or Tile so the image scales correctly for your screen aspect ratio. Once chosen, toggle between dynamic, still, or dark variants to control appearance during light and dark modes. Make sure to preview changes on the lock screen pane before closing settings. Finish by testing. Lock the screen with Control-Command-Q to confirm the new background displays correctly. If the image doesn't appear, first reopen Desktop and Lock Screen and reselect the file, then check that the file type is supported and permissions allow viewing. If problems persist, remove and re-add the folder or image, then restart System Settings or reboot the Mac. As a last resort, try Safe Mode to rule out caching issues. Usually re-importing or a reboot resolves it quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.